Okay, this is a rerun or a recap on my world's famous tuna salad. So y'all pay attention this time. Okay, what we do is the the key to this is you buy the better tuna fish. Cost a little bit more, but you get what you pay for. It's really good. Um, Let me show you what it looks like. This is in olive oil, and we've drained the olive oil off of it. But let me show you what the tuna fish looks like. I mean, when you get it in the can, you can't tell what it is. But this is really fillets of tuna. See how the big chunks of tuna. Look how pretty that is. I mean, it's perfect. You can actually eat it like that. You could heat it up and eat it just like that. If you're on a diet or something, that'd be great. Okay, and I just take my tuna and pull it apart. And you could use a knife for this, but Paula said these are the best tools God give you right here, your hands. They have this in water and in olive oil. And some places have it with different stuff, but very seldom you can find other than water and olive oil. But it's just wonderful, and that's what consistency you want. Then we have onions already chopped up, and we're going to mix them in. Now you use dill relish, and you drain the water off, because if you don't, it'll be all messy. And so you want to drain as much water as you can off. Okay. You take a spoon. You squeeze all the water out of it. Like I said, with the mayonnaise, you don't need any extra liquid, so you get rid of the dill juice as much as you can. Okay, there we go. Now boiled eggs. That's one of the keys to my world-famous tuna salad here is my tuna salad is also egg salad. And sometimes I'll put more than 3 in there. It won't hurt.
If you had your ideal number of eggs, how many would you have set?
Like I said, you can put as many eggs as you want. Typically, I'll do 3 to 6, so it doesn't hurt. It's just that's part of why it's world famous. It is also egg salad. Okay, chop all your eggs up, and they go. Okay. All right, now we're going to mix it up. And I typically add a little salt and pepper to taste. And not much, but just a little bit. A little bit of pepper. a little bit of salt, a little more pepper, just a little more salt. Doesn't take much. And then one of the key ingredients here is mayonnaise. You can't have world-famous tuna salad without mayonnaise. That wasn't the right one, was it? Fire my sous chef. She also happens to be the cameraman. So I'm not going to fire her right yet. Okay. Some people think that's too much, but they just don't know how to make world-famous tuna salad. Oops. That's it. Let's taste it and see. Oh, my goodness. It is just fabulous. Y'all need to try this. Michael's world-famous tuna salad. Mm-mm-mm.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.